Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more grocery haul products to put into the pantry. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing well, and I want to thank you and I say and tell you I appreciate the people that continue to come back and forth and continue to support this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, everyone, I forgot. Hold up, one thing. Okay, guys, I apologize. I forgot to add my little stovetop stuffing product in the picture. Yeah, because I also forgot to share it the other day about my dressing. I mixed some of the stovetop, it says stuffing mixed turkey flavor in my dressing that I made. I put chicken meat and turkey meat in that dressing, and it was delicious as always. And yeah, nothing wrong with stovetop. I do believe they might have, this is name brand, but I'm sure they have one that's made, I guess, what is it, Great Value might have a stovetop. I don't know, I haven't seen it. If I have, I forgot. But anyway, I'm here just sharing my little groceries and come through and say hello, check in, put some work in and stuff. Yep. I was outside earlier putting some water on my plants on my balcony garden. Got more herbs growing. Greens. Yeah, so dang, I had a distraction. Wait, dang. I was telling y'all about the dressing, but anyway, let me move on. Probably was saying something else. Sorry about that distraction. Y'all don't know. I'm back. Anyway, let me say what we're going to have for dinner tomorrow. These things right here are going to be used for the merrymaking food days. You know Christmas coming. And I don't let these other folks tell me what I can celebrate, participate in, join in, make merry, keeping Christmas good, all that. I'm tired of folks all up in other folks' business trying to tell them what they should and should not do. Just like that Black Friday thing. Folks try to get folks not to shop, and all these the stuff just so dirt cheap. A lot of stuff just so dirt cheap. And it's Cyber Monday today. Shoot, who ain't shopping? And then somebody had some video talking about black folks. Well, anyway, let me quit talking about that and get back to some different programming. But yeah, I'm gonna celebrate what the heck I want to celebrate. I've been celebrating for years, and especially like I say at this time of year, I love the decorations. I love making decorations. Shoot, selling it, I don't care. I just love doing it. And I'm sure a lot of other people too participate and love decorations, because my YouTube channel, when I'm looking on TV, is full of folks decorating, all kind of races, decorating, happy, cooking stuff. Like I'm make some sugar cookies. I keep saying out now. I was looking for my sprinkles. I don't know what happened to my sprinkles. Oh my goodness, y'all ain't got a clue. But anyway, I told my husband tomorrow I was gonna make some barbecue chicken, baked beans, salad, potato salad, and some other little stuff. And I was thinking about making, I got this mini cupcake thing. I'm gonna make some mini bite cupcakes, I think, chocolate. Yep. So Oh, I gotta find the chicken. I think I got a whole chicken in the freezer. Take that out so it'll be a big old hole there to put something new. But y'all doing okay? You shopping for the holidays, getting gifts and whatnot? Folks that expecting stuff, because believe me, it's one half don't want it, the other half do, and looking forward to a gift. Oh my God. Whatever make folks happy, they save up all year long to do just that. Shop and give gifts, especially grandparents. But that's one of the best things. You save all year. It's just bills and bills and bills. Folks, some folks just don't understand. They get it. They want you to say, oh, that's this and that's that. That how, no, I don't do that. Shoot. You celebrate in your own way. Celebrate in your own way. They say, oh, it's all about spending money. You're spending money on everything else. Food, gas, clothes, people. Shoot, what's the difference? 1-2 days out the year to celebrate something that's just one day. Give me a break. And then after that, you got birthdays and other holidays. Folks talking about they ain't celebrating. I bet you celebrating that birthday. Getting a gift for that birthday. Shoot, what's the difference? Shoot, you gonna get a gift. Somebody gonna celebrate you, make you feel happy. It's all about that spreading that joy and making good memories. That's all it is. Dang, people want to kill everybody's joy. Oh, I don't celebrate. Fine, you don't celebrate. You ain't got to put your doggone feelings on everybody else. If people do it, they do it. If it make them happy, shoot. But that's it on that conversation. What else going on? I don't know. It's a lot going on. Stuff. Shoot, I don't even feel like talking about it. I just want the happiness. I'm gonna go watch some more Christmas movies. Some of my favorite ones. And just be joy and peace. Keeping a good, happy spirit. That's what it's about. Keep that evil away. You stay happy, keep that evil away. When you start getting miserable and sad and depressed, you bring nasty spirits up on you. You must try to stay in good spirits. Practice discipline. That's what it's all about. That's what the Bible be trying to teach folks. Discipline. Stay in the spirit. Okay? So, with the merry-making days, the Merry Christmas, a lot of people are in good spirits. I'm enjoying the heck watching these people videos, decorating their homes and stuff. And I'm enjoying it too. Making new stuff. Shoot, my collection. I love it. I love it so much. Now I know what I should have done in the beginning that I didn't know, that I know now to keep my stuff. Sure do. Know it now. But anyway, y'all, I just came through. See what I got. I almost forgot again, because ain't gonna be no part 2. This will be just part it. I got some Ziploc freezer bags to help during these merry-making days. I got 30. It came in. I got this from Sam's Club. One thing from Sam's, Walmart, or did it come 2 things from Sam and Amazon? 30 extra large 2-gallon bags. They on sale. I think that was $10. I think today is the last day. It's the 30th. Wait, no, it's not. Yesterday was the last day. Day the 1st, huh? Wait a minute. No? Okay, I'm confused. Hold up. Today. Oops, y'all. Okay. This might be the 1st. I'm way confused now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let me see. 27, 28. Yep, today is the 1st. So the sale is over, but they got Cyber Monday, so There's still some deals out there to get, and for cheap. Y'all got the funds, you got the loans, you got the credit cards. Charge, with Betty and Wilma say on the Flintstones, charge. That didn't make no sense to me back then as a child, but now, shoot, now I see what they was talking about. But yeah, I got my bags, the stovetop, and some Amazon chicken broth. They said no cholesterol, low sodium, 1 gram of carb, and fat free. It's cool. I like this product. Nothing but decent ingredients. No bioengineer. Even though I have seen some food that said bioengineer, they talking about that Campbell person. But the bioengineer, I seen that on some other products myself. That's that man-made food, but they do it to the fruits and the vegetables. So I don't know, people. You've been eating man-made stuff for a minute. A lot of stuff man-made. But to each his own. But I'm going to stop on that note. Continue this conversation at a later day. Peace. And have happy holidays. Soon to be Merry Christmas. Merry making. Create. Make some beautiful memories during this time. Bye, you guys. Happy holidays. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.